The death of Taliban chief Hakimullah Mahsood in a US drone strike has heightened tensions between Pakistan and the United States. Now, in a high-level meeting, Pakistan is likely to review its bilateral ties with the US.
In fact, with the ties between the two allies clearly at a breaking point over the US drone strikes, it remains to be seen if the high-level meet will at all change the course and the direction of this bilateral relationship.
Taliban has moved to select its new chief, but the killing of Hakimullah Mahsood in a drone strike has escalated tensions between Pakistan and US to a new level. And even as Pakistan has summoned US ambassador to register a protest, Pakistan continues to blame US of trying to sabotage the peace talks with Taliban.
हम अमन चाहते हैं और हम डायलॉग करना चाहते हैं। जो तालिबान ने डायलॉग करना था जिसमें हकीमुल्लाह मसूद थे, उनको कल ड्रोन मार के कत्ल किया गया डायलॉग को सैबोटाज करने के लिए।
But the criticism for US just growing louder and stronger.
The efforts have been ambushed. It was not a fire from the front. It was an ambush, and we see it as an ambush. You have scuttled it 18 hours before. A formal delegation of respected ulama or religious leaders was to fly out.
Meanwhile, Pakistani leaders are taking serious steps to salvage their derailing talks with the Taliban.
सिंध असेंबली में रेजोल्यूशन पास करवाएंगे कि नेटो के सप्लाई बंद किए जाए जब तक ड्रोन अटैक्स ना हो। हम नेशनल असेंबली में मैं इंशाल्लाह पीर को उठाऊंगा ये बात कि NATO supplies को बंद किया जाए जब तक ड्रोन अटैक्स बंद ना हो।
A statement from the mission say that Hakimullah Mahsood's TTP has links with Al-Qaeda, which was involved in the attack on CIA base in Afghanistan and failed bombing at Times Square in New York.
With no response from the American counterpart, question is, have the US-Pakistan diplomatic ties really hit rock bottom? With Shafiq in Islamabad, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.